Hello, myself Muhammad Musafar. I am from Hyderabad. Last weekend, Saturday night, I had an accident, and few of my friends have suggested me this hospital as they were very aware of the fact that Mr. Jawad and his team is quite a good orthopedician team, so that they can handle this accident very well. So, by the reference of my friend, I came down here. I had an X-ray, and I got to know that there is a fracture. So what they have advised me to get admitted and get the treatment done. So the next day morning I was here, and with the full cooperation and coordination of the hospital, I was hospitalized, and Dr. Jawad has treated me very well, and the surgery was very successful. There were no complications, and now I'm recovering very well. And the staff and the whole team is very coordinative here and supportive and well managed. That's it. Thank you.
Germanten